Why does your scanner show the P20E9 engine code? What does it mean? P20E9 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant pressure too high. This engine code indicates that the DEF pump reports insufficient performance for more than a threshold time. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So what causes this imbalance here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty reductant pump, clogged reductant injector, clogged DEF lines, poor quality DEF, defective reductant pressure sensor, electrical problems. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code can appear in vehicles with diesel engines, particularly in newer models. It is commonly found in vehicles like Ram trucks, BMWs, and other diesel-powered cars. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.